What's the meaning of cover-up? Cover-up. Cover-up.
Cover up. Cover up. A cover-up refers to an attempt to hide or disguise wrongdoing or mistakes, usually by those in positions of power or authority. The result of a cover-up can be damaging to individuals or organizations involved, as it can lead to loss of trust and reputation. In some cases, the truth may eventually be revealed, leading to public outrage and legal consequences. The use of cover-ups can also perpetuate a culture of secrecy and dishonesty, making it difficult to address problems and find solutions.